Hello children, welcome to English class, and today we are going to start Unit 10 Rose Who's Blessed. Before that, we have a pre-reading activity, that is who's the most important one. Here is the story. I'll read the story. You listen carefully and try to answer the questions. Okay, so be on page number 145. Once upon a time, all the trees in the forest started fighting among themselves. See, the trees in the forest started fighting among themselves. The coconut tree said, I am more important. I give coconuts. You can drink it, eat it, make oil, and even a rope from it. See, the coconut tree started fighting and said, I am the most important because coconut tree is very useful. Children, have you drank coconut water? It's very tasty. Coconut is also used to make chutneys and spices. It is useful in making coconut oil, which we apply for our hairs. Okay, and even we can make ropes and mats from the coconut tree. So coconut tree said, I am more important. Next, the mango tree said, I am more important. I give delicious mangoes to eat and I also give shade. See, have you seen mango tree? It has so many leaves, so it gives a very cold shade. And everybody likes mangoes. Am I right? Mangoes are very delicious. So mango tree said, I give delicious mangoes and shade. So I am more important. Further, the neem tree said, I am more important. I give shade. People make medicines with my leaves, flowers and seeds. I drive mosquitoes away. See, next is neem tree. In between started fighting. What it says, I am more important because I give shade. It has very cold shade. And also, neem trees, leaves, flowers and seeds are used for making medicines. And the smoke of these dried leaves keeps mosquitoes away. So, neem tree said, I am more important. There was another tree who joined this fight is Gulmohar tree. The Gulmohar said, I am no less. I give shade and beauty. My flowers are a very beautiful orange color. See, here is another tree, that is Gulmohar. What did the Gulmohar tree say? I am no less. I am also useful. I give shade and beauty. See the flowers of Gulmohar tree, how beautiful they are. It has a reddish orange color and it looks very beautiful. So the Gulmohar tree is saying, I am also important. See, all the trees were fighting to each other. I am the more important. I am the more important. But no one could give satisfactory answer. So they all went to banyan tree and said, you are the oldest and wisest of us all. Tell us who is the most important. They requested to banyan tree to tell us who is the most important. So the banyan tree said, all of you try to do everything. Try to give flowers and fruits, shade and medicine, oil and wood and paper. Means you go and try to give everything. All the trees went back and tried hard, but they could not do everything. The coconut tree could not give orange, flowers and shade. The neem tree could not give mangoes, and the Gulmohar could not give coconuts or mangoes. They all went back again to banyan tree and said, we can't do everything. So the banyan tree said, yes, you all are different. You do different things. So you all are important. See children, God is created us. We all have unique blessings. So we should not compare with each other. Everybody is unique. Everybody has its own quality, own talent. We all are best for our own things. So everybody is equally important. Thank you.